What's up everybody, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. We're at the Concord Flea Market. We got Uncle Michael.
See what happened to when he mouthed up to me? I told him about back talk is
What's
elders.
even worse is what's gonna happen to you when you talk back.
Don't back talk his elders.
Alright guys, we're done helping my dad unload. Let's go to picking. Let's go to picking. It's still necessarily early just because I didn't really get too much footage, but the workers opened this place really late today for some reason, because somebody woke up late or some reason. I don't really know why. But everybody's still out in a line. Look, you can see everybody lined up still. So it's like pretty much like it's necessary like 5:30 right now. That's the time. Even though, what time is it right now? 7:45, but it's like 5:30 because you.
Ese no me salió.
¿Eh?
No me salió. Espera, pasar, sirve.
How much for this?
80.
Do you know if it's real?
Huh?
Are you sure if it's real? I know there's a lot of fake ones.
I don't do fake, bro.
I'm just making, okay, I'm just making sure.
Yeah, look, I don't do fakes. I know what you mean, though.
Because I see a lot of these flea market and they're just, they're fake.
You can ask anybody.
Alright,
I
that's
don't
good.
sell fakes, man.
Alright, I trust you. Do you have any
I know
single
what you
packs?
mean, though. I know what you mean, though.
Yeah, those ones are hard to tell.
You're the one who put the Snorlax, huh?
Oh, you saw my TikTok?
No, dude. Who's the guy talking?
Oh, that's cool. How much for one of these?
15.
How much for this?
Alright, I walked that whole side. I barely really stopped at like any of the stalls. Like I really know what they already have. Like I walk around the street market every week, so I kind of have a good understanding about like who's here, what they have. A lot of people have like the clothing lots. They got the tools. They've got jewelry lots. They've got clothing. Like there's just a bunch of stalls that are just prioritized to one thing only, and they just bring it back repeatedly, and they ask like sort of the same price pretty much. And I don't know how well it does for them, but I'm not really necessarily trying to buy that, you know. I'm trying to buy stuff to resell, and it's sort of difficult sometimes. Also, I like to buy Pokemon cards. That's pretty cool. I'm fine with doing that sometimes. But trying to buy stuff to resell is a bit difficult sometimes on this flea market, I feel like. This doll my Mimi might like. My Mimi would be honestly very happy if I were to get her this. How much for this Barbie?
The guy at the security,
$20.
he gave me a free voucher for the next
$50, Mimi.
Oh,
So at least he settled it for
Sheesh,
like,
Mimi.
yes. Oh, yes.
this guy was all like, oh, I want to return it. I'm like, I ain't giving you your fucking money
I
back.
have to walk around and get Mimi. Let's see if you watch this video. Yeah. We'll see. Oh, what's up, Dad? What the heck? Was Uncle Michael watching your stuff?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What the heck?
He's gonna end up getting in a fight today.
Why?
The guy is already he's like weird stuff saying my name or something. Uncle Michael said, I don't like the way Willie's looking at me. I'm gonna knock him out. And of course he heard him.
Yeah, and I just don't, you know. Probably should have though. That feels really light. Oh my goodness. Like half the cards are in here. Jesus. Look at that. You can like see. How much?
$1 each.
All right. Thank you. That is for surely fake too. Like it's like missing most of its cards in the pack. It's $1 a pack, like, you know, it's probably just for like the little kids to get their Pokemon cards to be happy. What's happening here?
They've sold the lady some rings that are not necessarily legit, and they're trying to say they are, and she threw a fit. She slapped him.
She slapped him?
Yeah, she slapped this guy.
Who?
Over here, and he's trying to call the cops like they're gonna do anything. They don't give a fuck. You can steal $950 from a grocery store and they don't do nothing. They sure ain't gonna care to.
I missed it? No way. Alright guys, looks like we missed a little bit going on over here. Here's a fight, pretty much. So I guess somebody tried to like sell somebody some rings over here. So I guess they weren't too genuine and she slapped them. I missed it. I got some good pics though, but I missed it. The lady slapped the guy. Right, so this sells for, I don't know if you guys can see, it says 55 right there. We got a 49. That's the like probably a good condition box. Mine's a little bit messed up. See, we'll take it. Like we'll sell it for even $32. It says new though. Shoot. I'll list mine for 25, all right? I'll list mine for 25. Look, these are just the tables without the boxes. Sell for 25. I paid 20 bucks for like a bunch of these. So that pays for literally all the items, and now these will be profit. Let's see how much these sell for now. All right, we see a couple of these guitars. Look at this, is 80 bucks. These sell like, these all say 150, 120, but these are like 2 guitars with the games. This says $80 with just the wire. That's what I have. Let's go. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's it. 80 bucks for that. That's a good buy. Mine's obviously a bit dirty. I can wipe it down, clean it up a bit, you know. All right, this one's a bit cheaper, it shows. This one sold for $24 wireless. Hey, $24 is still more than I paid for all of these combined. I got 2 guitars, DJ, turntable, and like 3 or 4 Pokemon packs for 20 bucks. And this pretty much pays for it. 25 for that. That's like new, and the box is obviously a little messed up, so I think I'll have to sell it for like 30 or 40 bucks, to be honest. That's still good. The guitar sells for like 80 bucks. That's crazy. These Pokemon packs don't sell for anything because I'm gonna open them and I might get good pulls. We'll see. Looks like.
Okay. Back down.
I'm good. How about yourself?
We've been working on synthetic opal for a long time.
All the sterling silver rings, these are, well, they're sterling settings, all of them, .925.
And that's
They're
how we get it to look.
20 bucks a piece.
All right.
Usually
These ones are 10 bucks a piece. And those are pure Bella opals, 100 and 200 bucks a piece.
All right.
$5. $5.
Let's see. Here's some more fake packs. How much are the packs?
It's $3. 3 or 2 for 5.
Yeah. Oh, more fake Pokemon packs. This is nuts to me. Jesus. How much for your packs?
2 for 5.
Oh yeah, they're definitely fake. You can tell. All right, last pack. I got a Fusion Strike pack. I personally don't really like these packs. I don't think I've ever gotten anything like a pull from these. I don't really like them, but they're on a good sale. Like the guy was selling them, and he was also giving away, like if you spin the wheel, you get lucky, which I did. You get a free pack. We'll take it. Let's see what we get from this last pack. Last pack.
What'd you guys do for Nan's thing? You guys did a cremation?
Woo! VMAX. Woo! Dang. All right, guys, we're done. We're out of here. We're packing up. It's like 10:30. We stayed a little bit longer than normal. Almost 11, I think. I guess we had a pretty solid day. We got pretty good picks. We got like 4 different things for $20. One of the items pays for it all pretty much. And we like that. We always take that. Got a couple Pokemon packs. Got some good pulls from the packs, actually. I don't think I'll make too much money from the packs. I'll make a little bit maybe, but thank you for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you watch to the end, of course. I love it. Put like a different emoji to this time. Put like a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up if you stayed to the very end. I like to see it. It's pretty cool to know.